you need to check your inner circle. Because the way and the conviction where the man them have is almost as if them see you. I only there because I don't have you that way there.
And that is why you are the king. The others, you're smarter than them at all times. You see, pray.
Right.
Enough respect, my father.
Let me tell you something, Richard. I can't afford for all that now. Because right now, I have some plans afoot. I in some conversation with some people in Europe, Germany, Denmark, and these places where we want to contribute and sponsor something where contribute to community development and the upliftment of the normal man and the regular community. Them think they were the politicians, them had dropped the ball on for so long. But guess what? It can't happen, bro, if we have to spill blood in the mud. So you are going. I ask the eye. Roll the eye. Because we want to give Stone a face-to-face talk and clarify this. So, that damn thing is the whole reason why I never want to arrange a sit down with the eye and Stone and everybody involved and get this out of the way once and for all. You understand? Because here we go. You see, you and Stone, we are going to start a movement that the two are going to be the ambassador for the community right across Jamaica. I'm going to sketch the video and it will just catch like wildfire. We make politicians can't show them the face unless them fulfill the outstanding promise them. Me mean the one them when they make from 19 when. You understand? Because then and only then will we have some true self-reliance, some true community spirit, some true development spiritually, mentally, and physically. You want us?
Yes, sir. Well, that sounds good enough, father. You see me, you don't know from the community and development. And that me all about.
Right, that's it.
The others, but you have to still make Stone them know. So me can't play no loose ball, said way, you see it. So, me with you 100%. The others,
it is. I really appreciate of the eye and lend me the ideas, you know. But here I go on. I have a move. Hear that?
no respect.
I have arrange that and I sit down there and check back the eye. Hear that? So you don't know.
Don't know from the positivity. They say they
Right, that's
every
Hey,
time.
wait, when the little princess there? Ashley, come here, baby. Ah, yeah, really, that is little girl. All right, bless you here. And take care of daddy, you know, okay? All right, and make sure I miss it to you, all right? All right, bless you. I don't know.
Respect for that father.
Oh,
Manners. Man, you eat off all the snacks already, Ashley? My time now to eat this, you know, I borrow your kerchief, yeah?
Chantal, Simone, Melissa, Manta, Rakim. Oh, Gladstone, one T3 girl them were supposed to help me with the youth program. Them a come this week? Tomorrow? When? From last week me not see them. The three girl them man, you have the sharp brown one and the slim dark one. Yeah. Them are with yeah. From last week, me not see them. Alright, give me them number, me call them. You not have them number? Alright, Gladstone. And now when me I go see Masu this week?
Oh, the man them for your payments. Especially Stone. Alright man. What you do yourself? Where the fun? So what you say you do yourself?
No, sir, you want me to come late.
All boy in a circle here. I don't see nobody.